So y'all want to know how I turned this into this with a top that looks like this? Just hang with me for less than 10 minutes and I'm gonna show you how. Okay, let's get straight to it. I decided to spray paint the cube. I use Rust-Oleum spray paint, flat white and flat black. The white I used as a primer. I put a light coat on there, allowed it to dry. And then I did 2 full coats of the flat black, allowing it to dry in between each coat. Once I finished painting, I brought it back in the house and I decided to add these 4-inch gold legs to them. They were ordered on Amazon, about $13 for the set of 4. Now for the top. I use these wooden dowels that I purchased from Amazon to complete the top. They come 20 in a pack. They're 12 inches long and a half an inch in diameter. I used the square dowels and not the round ones. The first thing I did was prepare them so that I can cut them. I grouped them into groups of 6 or 7 and I just taped them together with the masking tape. Once I taped them together, I started the cutting process. With no particular measurements in mind, I used my miter saw to cut the dowels, ensuring that I kept them together once they were cut. Again, keeping the dowels together, I use wood stain to color them. If you do not have wood stain, you can use acrylic paint. You would have to water it down and then use it just like a stain. Okay, this is what we have now. I stained them and I'm keeping them together. If you look, you can see the cuts I made. There's no particular measurements. I just made random cuts and kept them together. Now it's time to assemble the top. I made sure again that I kept them together once I cut them and stained them. The cabinet is 36 inches long. It takes 3 dowels to go down the length of the cabinet. All I did was grab 3 dowels, all pieces, and put them together, making sure that I separated the pieces. I hope you understand what I'm saying. I'm going to show you a top view of the cabinet so you can see. Three dowels going down. They're all cut in different pieces. I made sure when I put the pieces on that I separated the colors going down, if that makes sense. I use regular wood glue to put them together. I have silicone cutting pads under my cabinet because I don't want to glue the top to the cabinet until I finish the process. Here's a better view showing you how it was put together and randomly patterned. Once I finished the whole top and pieced it together, I used 36-inch dowels on the ends. They are 1 inch in diameter, and I just painted them black and put them on the ends. And that completes the process. And here is the finished top. And this is the finished product. Since it was a refurbish, I decided to use Dollar Tree or thrifted items, Goodwill, and Dollar Tree.